Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to download and install what's it called SimplyWise receipt scanner. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to open your internet browser and search for SimplyWise on Google. So just go to your internet browser and search for SimplyWise here. So by the way, this application is only available on an Android device or your computer or laptop device. So unfortunately, if you are on an iPhone, you need to find an alternative. So for an alternative, just type here SimplyWise on the iPhone store, and you will get other alternatives like this one right here. This is a free alternative, this one as well. So yeah guys, there are alternatives on iOS. So if you're on a computer or laptop device, just go to simplywise.com and here just click on start for free and you can just download the application like that. If you're on an Android device, you can just go to the Google Play Store. It's a app store like iOS App Store on Android devices. Just go to that App Store and search for SimplyWise receipt scanner, and you can just download it to your Android phone like this. So this is how you download and install SimplyWise receipt scanner. If you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.